The super Tesla win as Tesla was breaking out, coming up, right up, explained in more detail.
Power target trades, power trigger trade.
All right, so here on October 25, I want to explain this because my other video didn't show it. I want to show you exactly things, a little bit more explanation. This trade was so monumental good, but of course we had so many wins in Tesla trades, but I want to explain this, what I said here. October 25th, Tesla, I will look for a way in with the October 29 1,000 calls. Now you would think, by the way, those calls on a Friday, of last Friday, they had closed about $100. Now we had to pay a lot more, okay? Or the 90. Now the reason why I said that is because it didn't open up, and as the market opened up, I had to then make the I chose the 1,000 calls. So basically, on October 25th, I posted this thing, but I had to post the buy stops. Okay, so this wasn't to tell us that I think this could hit the 1,000 area and higher. Okay, and that's exactly what happened. We're going to go into the charts. All right, so here I started with this is the confusion on my other video, but I wanted to explain this because I saw it, I said this. So at the first, we had, as Tesla had gone above 971 and it dropped below 971, I posted this. It says, Tesla, we can place buy stops at 1350, okay? For the October 29, not 100 calls, it's a 1,000 because there's no way you're buying 100 calls. Calls in this case. This can take out 971 again. It is building something, but for now, that is what we can do. As it can chop within 970, so I identified, but it never really even went, it didn't really touch 940. I identified that if this would break 971, that we can get in. But by the time it did, I had to make an adjustment because the option prices came down. They didn't come down. It didn't require 1350 at the time. It required a little less, but still a lot more than the Friday close. When I show my other video, which I'm going to link in here, it shows, because they're gone. I can't show you the October 29. I can only show you some clips. So Tesla, very bullish above 940. I explained, listen to me. There's key points that if it stays above and it takes out a gain, it's very bullish. I'm explaining this. This is all as it was trading in the market. Okay. Plus, great win in NVIDIA. All step by step. You can see that over here. Okay. Tesla moved buy stops to 12 for the October 29 1,000 calls. As soon as I did that, this confirmed. Tesla confirming with the October 18 1,000 calls at 1210. But as it did that, it was going against us. Tesla's so bullish, the odds are, so you should see me, why? Because I said we need stops at 6. We had to do what we had to do to win massively. These options ended up on Friday closing up $10,000 per option. If you don't have, I want to ask you a question, Do you have the mindset to make these kind of calls? Costco, NVIDIA, Tesla, all three winners, classic power trigger trade style, especially when it works with my rules. All rule caught, all of them went against us a little bit, only to go massively for us. So we had to hold properly, we had to achieve targets, and we achieved and maintained, went higher than the targets, and they held the targets. That's how good this was. That is called massive skill. Put that in your damn mind. Can you do that? We did. We did. Years of information is on my channel. Years. Okay. Now, Tesla got above. See here, Tesla, as the October 29, 1,000 calls at a rate 18, as Tesla is at 987. I then said, let's move our stops to 1260. Now we were looking at if it didn't want to keep going, that it's moving in a way that we would break even. So I reduced our risk to 0. Then, moving to 21. As Tesla's at 994, stops can be moved to 14 now. Look on the screen, right? I may say things wrong sometimes, but you'll see what I'm talking about. Tesla, October 29, 1,000 calls. 23, as Tesla's at 984, stops to 16. Sorry, look to sell 50% at 23.24 because that's where our options were. So I banked 50%. The reason why you see a 5 there was the percent sign wasn't hit. Of our October 29, 1,000 near 23. I'm going to sell 50% at 23. So that it just moved much faster. Sold at 24. And this kept going. Then stopped at 16. This is all on the same day. So we banked on October 25th, okay? But I wanted to show you this because when I showed you this in the other video, you're going to see minus 5 hours. You're going to see, you see a time. But this video I wanted to show you 3 plans, all winners, people. And that is not easy. But as a 3 plans in this group posted, all winners. And these plans had all my rules in it. Perfect alignment. 3 plans, 3 wins, all big winners. Nobody does this like Power Trick or Trade. I have a powerful formula with immense powerful odds. You're going to see a lot of great wins coming out of this. And I'm showing you this video. I want you to think, well, we're going over this, okay? Tesla, very bullish. Take out 1,000, could go to 120 next. If not today, tomorrow. It did this all we did was follow the rules. Tesla, our call's now at 29. As Tesla's at 106. That was a 12 p.m. update, okay? Stops at 20. Stops at 24. I'm just gonna, you can read in here, okay, what's going on here. Right? Stops at 29. Stops at 35. You can pause the video, read what I'm saying here. This is very important. I do this to help this little series of success. Here, stops now at 52. Do you know that these options closed above 10K? We only got 5K, but it was so monumental and it's such a good idea to go into Tesla. And I made this call, super mover. It happened to us with a 2K to 27K win. We caught majority of the Tesla's monumental moves with options. I also became a shareholder, invested in I've been making a killing in Tesla, both in shares and in options. And if you don't have these skills, you're going to make baby money than being in my group. And I give those serious for success an opportunity of a lifetime. And it's only going to get better as the years go by. Power Trick or Trade. Let's go to the charts, people. Let's go to the charts. Her over here. So listen. This is what happened. It opened up 951. We hit a high of 970. Okay. And then it backed off. Right. I said if this can confirm and break above 971, we're going to go in. Then we moved. I saw that the price of the options were we didn't need to pay $13.50. We could get in with 1200, and you see we broke that. We hit 979. Then it pulled back. Remember I said it pulled back, so it was going against us. But what did I say? It needs to stay above 950, and we're fine. So I had deeper stops. Remember we paid. And then what did it do? It kept going up, right? And that's why you see it doing what it did. It just went up. Right? Up to the 26. Right? And it chopped and maintained itself and went higher. Point is, understand direction, understand how to manage, kill it, kick ass. That's what happened, right? Now, I want to show you a snapshot of those of the calls on Friday, Thursday and Friday, of those October 29, 1,000 calls. Did you make this call? Do you have these skills? Do you have documented videos? Proof. It's year after year after year. I had 3 runners, 15K. That really should be 30K, but that's okay. Monumentally correct. Wasn't just correct, monumentally correct. I happened to take a snapshot on Friday, which was October 29. Okay, those are the. You can see here October 29. See, you look at that option chain. I want to show you those 1,000 calls were practically $9,800, $9,800. This is monumental stuff. Year after year after year, catching real direction. But you have to have the mindset. Hold properly. You kill it. When we win big. NVIDIA, Tesla, Costco. You look at all my videos, and plans, and options, prices, massively win, massively up. Welcome to Power Trigger Trade. Confirmation is key. Right here's my YouTube channel. Click on it. It brings you right to the YouTube channel. At the end of the video, you're going to see this icon over here. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. If you want to become a member inside of my group, Power Group Trades, simply watch this video. Click on this video. It's a free group for those serious for success. It's a partnership. My group's based on you making money, and I'm managing it for you to make money with skill. You can do what you want. There's no cost. However, as you see value, people do send me gifts because they make money. If you're not making money, that's what's different about what I'm so sure you'll make more money inside my group, Power Group Trades, than you can do on your own. You go look at my videos and ask yourself, could you make these decisions? Go look at Costco. And I'm going to try to go look at NVIDIA. Watch my videos. Spend the time. I'm trying to help people those serious for success. I'm telling you, Tesla's going much, much higher. I'm going to manage the group step by step. We're going to kill it. A lot of option wins. I look forward to helping those serious for success. Don't forget to like the video.